ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ SSLC ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಇದೇ ತಿಂಗಳು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 21, 2025ರಂದು ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾನೀಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ರಂಜಿತಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಯಶೋಧ, ಈಗ ನೀನು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಮಾಡೋರು ನೀನು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋದು, ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, gentlemen of Rio Drama, first question, sir. Describe the old man as God.
The old man is also small, rich, but fine. His orchard was narrow and beautiful.
How did 14th Amendment to the USA Constitution and Mahatma Phule influence Ambedkar?
The 14th Amendment to the USA Constitution gave freedom to black Americans. The life work of Mahatma Phule influenced on Ambedkar. Therefore, he decided to fight against the injustice.
Baleshwar had a good memory. Do you agree with this? Give examples to support your view.
Yes, Baleshwar had a good memory. When Roma gave her brother a cell phone number, he memorized it, called to Dinesh Talreja.
Who is Dinesh Talreja?
Roma's brother.
Why did Satisha's father oppose his painting and drawing at first?
Because Satisha's father thought the artist would lead a poor life. It was not a career for the bright person like Satish.
Okay. How did the 14th Amendment to the US Constitution and Mahatma Phule influence Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar?
The 14th Amendment to the USA Constitution gave freedom to black Americans to.
Okay, it gave the freedom to black Americans. And also Mahatma Phule influenced on Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. His work, he was fighting against social injustice and he was fighting for the women's upliftment. Okay, good.
How can you say that Anant was a talented boy?
Anant was the fastest runner and the best table tennis player in his school and already able to compose his own tune.
Good. How did Ambedkar work for the upliftment of depressed classes?
Ambedkar devoted all his time and talented for upliftment of depressed classes and
what he started?
He started newspapers and
like Mukanayaka, Vaishvita Bharata and Samatha, and he also started some institutions. Okay, right.
Why did he say that there were scorpions behind the law books?
Swami said that there were scorpions behind the law books because it was a just trick to escape from his father.
According to the author, why do some people choose to become scientists though they may not earn much money?
Because the scientists cannot live without science.
Their discovery brings the reward.
Their discovery brings the reward. Instead of money, he enjoyed.
They enjoyed the
freedom, independence, and teamwork.
That's very good. Why did the superpowers meet in Geneva?
The nuclear powers wanted to sign an agreement to stop the nuclear weapon test.
There was a technical problem. To discuss about that technical problems, they decided to meet in Geneva.
Many schools refused to take Satish in. How did it affect him?
Satish became moody and could not freely with others. He began to avoid going to other children.
Next question. Why were Baba and Manju disappointed with the way of marching?
The marching was very silently. There were no shots, no slogans, and that's why Baba and Manju were disappointed.
What did Baleshwar Mishra do as soon as he saw the girl lying in the tracks?
Baleshwar Mishra immediately pulled the red emergency sign and
He requested
He requested other passengers to help the girl.
Why did the storyteller say that the Americans were violated?
Because they do not cheat in Donaldson.
ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ.
Why did the storyteller say that the Americans are violated?
ವಿಯೋಲೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅವರು? Because Americans they did not achieve to Donaldson. They were ready to
Giving
double of the price for extra. They were ready to give him extra money for extra land. Okay, because Donaldson ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. He owned more than 80 acres of the land. That's why Americans they were ready to give him double of the price. Okay. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ.
How can you prove that scientists are the most practical people in the world?
Practical people. Through their medicines.
It is through the work of the scientists that we have medicine, clean source of energy, public new transportation and
How did Satish Gujarat become popular all over the world?
he is one of the few artists who achieved in several art forms like painting, sculpture and also a great writer.
Okay, ಅಮ್ಮ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ. Take the girl to Ivory. Who is the speaker?
The cup,
Who does the girl refer to here?
Roma Talreji.
Why does the speaker say so? Take the girl to Ivory ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? Why does the speaker say?
Because she fell off the moving tree.
Yes. ಕನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ.
From the first of the next month, I will sleep alone. Father, who wanted to sleep alone?
Swami.
Why did he requested his father to allow him sleep alone from the first of the next month?
It was a trick to escape from his father.
Okay. The trees in the orchard are not mine. ಆರ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗಿಡಗಳು ನನ್ನವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಡೀ ಮನೆನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅದ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ನನ್ನವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
Donaldson.
Who does mine referred here? The trees in the orchard are not mine. Mine.
Donaldson.
Whom did the trees belong to according to the speaker?
Children of the Riyan village.
Very good. I argued with him, but it was useless. Who does him referred here?
Donaldson.
What was the argument about? What was the argument about? Yes, sir. ಈಗ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್?
Donaldson.
ನೋ, ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಟೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. I argued with him, but it was useless. What was the argument?
Take extra money for his extra land.
Very good. Very good. Why was it useless?
Because Donaldson was
Not ready to. What? He was not ready to take the.
because he was planning to kill.
Yes, he was the man of principles. Very good. Good answer. He was the man of principles, and he was not ready to take the extra money. Good.
It is no career for a bright boy. Who said this?
Satish's father.
What was it?
Drawing and painting.
Why did the speaker feel so?
Because he thought artist would lead a poor life.
Okay. ಈಗ 3 months summary ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. I am the land summary.
I am the land is poem written by Marina D. Belgenta. In this poem, the poetess wants to describe the patience of the earth. The mother earth can tolerate all sorts of violations. The man shares with race, then also the earth lies patiently. The man uses the land for making muddy holes and the lights of the earth, then also the earth lies patiently. The man plows the land and grow the plants. The children would come and dance on the earth. The soldiers come with guns and put a fence around the country. This fence suffocates the earth, but the mother earth then also the patiently waits. The earth challenged the man that he cannot put a fence around the planet earth.
ಸರಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಮತ್ತು Okay, Song of Grandma Concept, 4 months ago. Okay, Song of India,
The Song of India poem is written by B.K. Gogok. The poet wanted to sing about the Himalayas, 3 seas and golden rays of sun, but she wishes him to sing about the beggar and leper. The poet wanted to sing about the temple, soldiers, chiefs and prophets. She asked, Mother India asked him to sing about the old, ignorant and helpless children. The poet wants to sing about the dance lakes, shipbuilding as atomic cage, but she forces him to sing about the struggle of the past and present. The poem ends with an optimistic view the Mother India sitting at the waves incarnating the supreme power to write the destiny of our nation.
ಸರಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ಪೊಯೆಮ್ದು
An old George mission is standing like a black and shaped mariner. His face is old, wrinkled, full of worries. It shows his pain. His blue shirt is faded, dark with sweat. His necktie is undone. His shoes are torn, filled with paper to cover the holes. He stands alone, head down, eyes closed and ears perked. He is longer a black man. He lifts his saxophone and start playing music. He is a bird higher, flies high and higher.
Okay, good. ಸರ್ ಈಗ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಗಂಡ ಕನ್ಸಿಟ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಗಂಡ ಕನ್ಸಿಟ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋದು.
Grammar Classically is written by Ruskin Bond. Here the poet Ruskin Bond described about his grandmother as habit. He called her genius. When Granny was 6 years old, she learned how to climb the tree by her loving brother. Even in her old age, she used to climb the tree. She was 62. People advised her to
Stop
climbing the trees and grow old gracefully. But she laughed and said that she would old grave disgracefully. One day she climbed a tree and could not come down. She was rescued with a great difficulty. The doctor strictly advised her to stay in the bed for a week. When she felt stronger and she demanded her son to build a house on treetop. Her son immediately built a house on treetop. She moved and lived there happily.
ಓಕೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸರಿ ಈಗ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗಿದೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್
They had gone.
Okay. They had gone.
Hadn't they?
He is writing.
Isn't he?
He does not come.
Does he?
I did not go.
Did I?
Anant was playing the music.
Wasn't he?
Smita requested Pandit Ravi Shankar.
Didn't she?
ಇದು ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದು?
Simple past tense.
ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು?
Did she?
ಸರಿಯಾದ ಗುಡ್. ಸರಿ ಈಗ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ವಿಷಯ. ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಟು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್.
To request.
Students were going to school to meet the headmaster.
To meet.
I went to Bangalore to speak with my father.
To speak.
ಇದರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ.
I am going to school to study hard.
To study.
Jyoti prepared to answer all questions correctly. Option A, prepared. Option B, to answer. Option C, questions. Option D, correct.
To answer.
Very good. ಸರಿ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ Rajesh said, I have watched a movie have watched a movie.
Rajesh said that
I have watched a movie.
he had watched a movie.
Ganesh said, I am drinking the water.
Rajesh said that
Ganesh
he was
said, I am drinking the water.
Ganesh said that he was
He was drinking.
drinking the water.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾನೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Simple past tense.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ,
Past continuous tense.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ,
Past perfect tense.
ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
No change.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್,
A hotel.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್,
An historical place.
ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್ ಹಿ.
A historical
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈಗ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತವೆ.
An hour.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅವರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆನ್ ಅವರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
A driver.
ಸರಿ. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ MLA ಆಫ್ ಹುಲ್ಗುನ್,
An MLA.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ MP ಆಫ್ ಬಾಗಿಕೋಟ್,
An MP.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್.
A member of parliament.
ಓಕೆ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ತುಂಗಾ ರಿವರ್,
The Tunga river.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
The second.
ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಓದಿ ಈಗ? ಓಕೆ, ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ಸ್ ಕರೋಣ. He is writing a letter.
A letter is being written by her.
He is writing a letter.
Her letter is being written by him.
Okay. Rama is publishing. Rama is publishing a novel.
A novel is being published by Rama.
Okay. I wrote a letter.
A letter was written by me.
Okay, good. Sita is writing the exam.
The exam is being
Written. Sita
Written
is.
by-
Yes, continue.
written by Sita.
Yes, very good. ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಕೊಲಕಟಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಕೊಲಕಟಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ದು? ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಆರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ, ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ.
Bag.
ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಸಿಲಾಬಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಸಿಲಾಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ 2 ಸಿಲಾಬಲ್ ಒಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸ್ಟೀಲ್, ಕ್ಲೀನ್, ಫಿಲ್ಮ್, ಫೀಚರ್.
Film.
ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಲಾಬಲ್. ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸಿಲಾಬಲ್. ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಿಲಾಬಲ್. ಫೀಚರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? 2 ಸಿಲಾಬಲ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸರಿ, ಮತ್ತೇನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿದಾವಮ್ಮ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ತನಕ ರಂಜಿತಾ ಮತ್ತು ಯಶೋಧ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಿಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮತ್ತು ಇವರಿಗೆ SSLCಯ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಅಂಕಗಳು ಬರಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಲಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ, ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ತರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.